Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about SAP Fiori in MDG, even SAP FICO. So basically you all about heard about the SAP Fiori, especially in S4 HANA. So basically I will just like to explain in a short way. SAP Fiori is a new user experience for a SAP software and applications. So SAP Fiori it's provide a set of applications that are used to regular business functions like approval, transaction, financial app, calculation apps, and all these things, right? The main benefits, the main advantage of Fiori, you can use Fiori in desktop, laptop, your tablet, on a smartphone. So you can access Fiori and you can create the transaction, you can approve whatever you want to perform any actions, okay, you can do. So SAP is provide almost 300 plus roles which you can perform through the Fiori app. And if you compare to the SAP GUI, if you work on the SAP Fiori, it's very easy and very user friendly to work on Fiori. So you don't need to switch on multiple screens, and as in a one screen you can perform your daily daily basis actions and whatever transaction and activity you are performing. So I will I will show you the demo, like how Fiori Launchpad is looks like, and what are the tiles, what are the catalogs, okay, all these things, and how you can create your separate folder in Fiori. So this is my Fiori app link. So I have entered the URL and I will enter my username and password. So basically, so now I have login on the Fiori app, and you can see the Fiori screen. And if you see on the top, these are the catalogs. This about directory, extensibility, enterprise search. So whatever roles you have, based on that, you will have all the catalogs. Okay, I have a admin access, so I can see all the catalogs, like whatever catalogs, all these things. Okay, so these are basically catalogs, and these are the uh, tiles which we call in Fiori. So I would like to show you one example how to create my separate folder on the top. Okay, because you have so many catalogs. Okay, for example, okay, if you are like okay consultant, you have so many catalog. In the catalog you want to, you have daily basis like few activity to perform. So in that case you can create your own catalog, and you can assign the tiles to your own catalog. So it means you don't need to go for the catalog and search for the tiles, all these things. Okay, say for example, if I want to create a profit center in MDG, right? So I have to search first for my catalog. See, there are so many catalogs, right? So I have to search for my catalog. Where is okay, FI controlling governance. Now in this one you can see so many tiles are there, you can see, right? So now I have to search which one is for creating, manage, and search. Okay, so rather than doing this, better I can create my own folder. So I can go and edit home screen. Okay, I can add the group. For example, I want to create for the profit center. Okay, what are the tiles I want to add in this one? So I can click on the plus and it will show all the apps. In that one I have to choose my fin controlling catalog, which is a SAP standard one. So from there I need to pick the tiles. It's taking time. So second way I can perform here, I can go in the app finder. In the app finder I know where are the profit center catalogs. You have to just wait for the couple of seconds. Okay, so now I will drag this code. So now if you see fin controlling governance, this catalog having the tiles to create a profit center and cost center. So I want to have separate for the profit center. Okay, so I will choose first change request. So which tile I have to link? I will select my tile. Okay, so this is my new catalog which I created for profit center. So I just selected the profit center. Okay, now next is manage profit center. Manage profit center. Okay, manage profit center group hierarchy. Manage profit center groups. And what else? Create profit center. Create profit center group. Okay, so these are the catalog I have chosen, and even I can choose my change request to see the change request. Okay, so this one I have completed now, and I will go back to the home screen. It's almost done. Yeah, so I will go to the home screen. Just click on SAP, right? So now you can see the profit center on the first catalog is the profit center. So before that I was going on and looking for my fin controlling governance, and so I know these are the activity I have to perform on daily basis as a consultant, right? Even users also they can do, but okay, users have only limited catalog. Suppose you are creating or you are just approving, so you have only few 2 and 3 tiles and 1 or 2 catalogs. So now if I click on the Profit Center, so you can see the tiles: change request, manage Profit Center group hierarchy. So whatever I have selected tiles, you can see in the Profit Center. Okay, so from here, like, you can do whatever action you want to perform, right? So if you want to find particular app, so you can just search here, like say the cost center. Okay, so you can see there are 40 apps which is linked with the cost center. So you have to search which cost center app you are looking for. So you're looking for just to create cost center, you want to search cost center, you want to manage cost center. So based on that, okay, you can directly search from there and you can link that one. Okay, and in the setting, so here you can see your user account details, server, email, this is your appearance, display setting, home page. So in the home page, okay, you want to see all content or group once a time. So these are all the settings. So you can just go through and check if any setting you want to perform for your own requirement and for your own use, right? So I'll go on the home and I will click on the edit home screen. So once you click on the edit home screen, so here you can add the catalogs, like I have created Profit Center. It was not before, right? So you can create, and if you want to delete any tiles from the catalog, so you can delete from here, right? Say example, I want to delete create Profit Center group, so it's okay, delete it from here. And if you want to move the tiles from one app to other app, so you can also do. For example, I want to move this, you have to just drag and you can paste here like this. So you can also do this. I will place back again. Okay, so basically this is the setting you have to create for basically for the catalog and tiles. So now you have like overall idea, like what is Fiori app, how it looks like, and how you can create your own catalog. Yes, the one more important thing, right? So now I'm an admin, I have all the access. How I come to know all these access, right? Okay, so basically this is a ABAP activity, right? They assign all the roles. See, it's depend on the roles, right? We have separate roles for SAP GUI and Fiori, right? So who are new in SAP, maybe they don't know, or maybe who is working on the SAP ECC, or they are not aware with the Fiori, how it's work and how it looks like. So okay, for them also. Otherwise, I'm sure who is working the SAP S4HANA, they already knows Fiori, how it's work, and if they have not experience to add catalog and to adding tiles, removing tiles, and make some setting on the Fiori, so they can perform on this one, right? So and if you want to see the screen, say for example, if I go on the manage profit center, so you can see the screen like how it looks. Okay, this is the search criteria, and here you can create new or search existing. Okay, say for example in the new, okay, so I have to select the change request. So you can see now in one screen you can perform all the activity which you are doing in the SAP GUI with the multiple tabs, and it's very fast to do your daily activity here, even for the business partner, financial activity, transactions for the financial, account payable, receivable, and assets. Okay, you can perform here. So there are different app. Okay, you have to check and you have to assign, okay, those transactions here. So you can see everything on the one screen. So you have to just add and edit details, so you don't need to jump one to other screen like SAP GUI. Okay, so this is a short explain of the Fiori, how it's work Fiori, and what is the Fiori. So in the next video I will show you for the SAP MDG how the VPs work, how, what are the configurations, same for the financial, profit center, cost element, accounts, okay, how this works. So if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel to get new video regarding the SAP, and I will also upload for the other technology also, the Oracle, the Microsoft, yeah, whatever knowledge I have, so I will share with you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.